When we're looking at funding, particularly around gender equality, it needs to be focused, it needs to be targeted, and it needs to be around the needs and experiences of women. My name's Karen Neal, and I'm a learning development partner on Chwarae Teg's Agile Nation 2 project. Thanks to EU funding, we've spent the last 5 years working with businesses and women throughout Wales. This project works with women to build their confidence, recognise their skills and develop those skills, but it also works with the businesses to look at and encourage them to identify some of the barriers in their own organisations, some of the things that might be stopping women progressing in those organisations and also joining them.
The support I had from Chwarae Teg was amazing, really. My confidence had been lacking when I sort of first walked into that course, and I left really confident, really self-aware. I knew what skills I had, what skills I didn't have, and that the skills I didn't have weren't a major weakness or a character flaw. It's had a really lasting impact on me. I would say it was like a defining point in my career. It's been a turning point for me. It's stopped me from just doing what I think I'm supposed to do and actually helping me sort of stop and evaluate and work out what it actually is that I want from life and what I want to do. And now I'm definitely in the right place for me. I'm on the right path.
The Welsh voluntary sector and Chwarae Teg are key for delivering focused and targeted solutions. The Welsh voluntary sector works with people very closely. They're on the ground, they know these people, they know the barriers and challenges they have, and they too are able to target the solutions and support for those people. If we don't get targeted funding specifically for women, then we're going to work further away from equality, because our experience has told us over the years that when you do design a programme that's targeted, it supports the people that it's designed to do, then they will go on and they will do brilliant things.